I love it when Sherry spits. I mean, you know what that means, right? When a girl knows how to spit, and I know what that means. It sounds fucking sexy. Also, when she gags on the toothbrush, that's the other one. I saw somebody drive over, so let's go check it out first. Pizza?
Pizza crust.
Whatever.
Right in our driveway.
I don't care. It's full moon. Full moon tonight. I have not received, I'm supposed to get 4 other boxes. I have not received them yet with amplifiers in them. I think I have 4 of each of the, basically I'm going to call it the 3000.2, which is it's a 2-channel, 3000 watt amplifier, full bridge or whatever, high voltage, whatever you want to call it. And then I also have the 600.4s, which are also 1 ohm stable. But both of those, either one, they basically do about the same power. $300 each, we can do it. So. But yeah, $300 shipped, and I can drop ship for you to your client if you'd like, and I'll just put your return address on it, so they never know about me. I thought I saw somebody back here. Not seeing it. Oh well. Let's see, what else? Oh, Tony Baloney. He gave me a soft threat of libel, as if I would call him a name or tarnish his name somehow or hurt his business by my words. Like, wow, that's really powerful. Out of one side of his mouth, he calls me a little shit and a dumbass, and like nobody cares about because like I don't have any subscribers compared to him. But yet he's saying this to me. It's like, really? Like, did you really need to say that if I'm such a little shit? I think it's fucking great. So, and that's the great thing, is I don't have to be a big shot on YouTube to get some change out of people. So, that was the other thing I wanted to clear up. Tony is correct. If you do use the chassis for a ground, which I don't recommend, that chassis ground and the RCA common be the same reference point, but whatever. He's the master. Did they lock it?
I don't know.
Yeah, they put a padlock on it. Okay, good.
It's crazy.
So, but to me, there's 1,000 ohm difference, and that's what he says right in the beginning of the video, that there's 1,000 ohm difference. I'm like, that is not the same. It can be used the same, and that's what we saw in Derek's video when he tested that little flea market amp that I busted his chops about, is that you can use the RCA as a ground. Of course, you don't recommend it, but that's what it pulled to. Anyways, yes, you can run balanced signal on a single RCA, with L1 being the center pin and L2 being the shield, as long as there's a reference. So, but Tony's like, you don't need a reference. And then proceeds to say that I'm setting myself up for libel. So, and of course, the only thing libel in the news right now is Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. I was like, okay, I guess I'm Johnny Depp and he's Amber Heard. So, and he's going to court saying, Patrick raped me and beat me up. I'm like, oh my God, you're fucking pussy. See? That's defamation of character. I'm like, oh my God. So, anyways, that's the YouTube's gossip bullshit. Been getting some. It's funny when, like, I look at my videos and there's some that that they've already had the dust up, they've already made their numbers, and it's fine. But like, somebody's late to the party, and they're like, "You're hating on Steve," or "You're hating on Tony," and I'm like, you're too late. Like, it doesn't matter at all anymore. I'm already over that, and it's just, I don't know. It's weird. I hope you guys don't mind me sharing this with you, because it's not audio related. Like, if somebody was bitching that he's like, I tune in for audio stuff. Don't talk about other stuff. And I was like, well, you're putting your expectations on someone else to make your day. That's a mistake. You're doing life wrong and you're going to be frustrated. And I was like, but if you watch my other videos, you would learn that. And he's like, bah, 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 bah. And I was like, block. And it felt so good. He's like, you're bipolar and all this. And I was like, well, today I'm bipolar, so you're getting blocked. Block. So it's not hard, guys. I want to have conversations with people as long as they're constructive. When they're deconstructive and you guys want to be personal, they go, well, Patrick, you say personal things. I'm like, I'm being expressive. And if you really want to do it right, make a video on your channel. Because usually when I go to people's channels that are bad-mouthing me, guess what? No videos, nothing. No subscribers, nothing. So it's like, dude, fucking show up. You know, you don't have to put your face in the video for me. I don't care. Just fucking criticize me. That's fine. Give me some criticism. So I want to see it. I want to see what other people see. I'm, you know, if I'm wrong, please, by all means, show me how I'm wrong. Somebody shooting BBs or what?
I don't know.
So, but let's see. Somebody was also, I don't want to say complaining, but they were talking about, you know, why don't you do this video? Why don't you do that video? And it's like, mostly it's because I don't have time. Mostly what I do is pack orders and sell stuff so that I can survive. That's the most of my life. Mostly because if you don't know the backstory, I got tricked into this house and trapped, and I can't afford rent, and so I have to spend every waking hour working so that I can just break even at the end of the month. So, and it's quite difficult, and I was not prepared for it. And at the same time, I want to keep my integrity. And so when I start standing up for myself, and people that were using me and abusing me think I've changed and don't like me anymore, and then I go, okay, well, I don't need to put up with this shit, and then I cut them out of my life, they get all mad. I'm like, well, that's how it goes. So if anything, I want to at least help you guys get to where I'm at. So, and for me to come from nothing. So like, I got my start when I met Sherry in 93, and was it May? Yeah, May 15th. That's what we don't know for sure. We don't quite remember the day, but it was like right before my brother's birthday. And it was summer, basically, of 93.
Well, you met before that.
Well, we
became a couple before your brother's birthday.
But when I got my break to go, we probably got to head back. I think there's a guy coming over. What was it? I can't find that critter guy. Head on back, baby.
Oh, back to the house?
Yeah. So, but when I met Sherry, I wanted to make a clean start, and so I sold everything, which amounted to like $900 at a garage sale. And I was rich at that moment, and because I had no bills, I was walking into a guaranteed job for the next 4 years, and I had just met my life partner and good buddy that I also got to put my penis in, which is always good to be able to put your penis in your best friend, and that was it. That was I came from nothing. My parents both are selfish shitheads and didn't want to help me out or coach me or do anything, but they also didn't achieve anything really on their part. My mom managed to figure out how to retire at FedEx and keep some flight benefits, because technically FedEx is an airline, or at least has an airline division. So good for her. Dad's dead, and then he owed so many people money when he died. It was like this creepy piranha feed fest when he died, and people went over to scavenge his storage units and shit like that for all his tools. Me included, me and Tyson, me and my brother included. It's horrible. pull up. There we go. Watch that sunset.
Mike's.
But you know, I managed, as fucked up as everything got. Here's the client. I gotta go soon. I'm here. I mean, I got a 1 acre property in the city. I can't really afford it, but I do pay rent every month. And I'm going to the moon. And I have, in fact, I just finished transferring almost all of my domains to Namecheap, which is also owned by GoDaddy. But GoDaddy is like the retail end of the version, and they want to charge like $20 a URL per year, so it's fucked up. But anyways, I was remembering a year ago this week, I had decided to start like a bunch of businesses to get some PPP loans or something like that, and of course I was too late for that, but I can still start businesses and get loans and try to manage my escape. Ooh, is that a bird? Lizard? No, it's a bird. So, but anyways, whatever I can teach you, I will. And I've been working home full time since 2003. So that's almost 20 years full time doing hustle work, and I can show you how to do it as well. It's best if you have a spouse that has a quote unquote real job with benefits and all that stuff, so you can still qualify for car loans and mortgages and things like that. And then your work that you do on the side helps complement and pay down credit cards and things like that, so your credit looks good. But anyways, I also wanted to announce I will be doing a live stream on Saturday night at 7 p.m. my time, which I think is 6 p.m. Pacific, and then it would be like 10 p.m. Eastern. So is it spring ahead, fall behind? Yeah, spring ahead, fall behind. So yeah, 7 p.m. my time, which is Arizona time, and we'll do a live stream and we'll do a Q&A, because I do get, I probably get about at least 100 messages every day that I want to process, and hopefully I can get you guys links and stuff like that to the other videos so that you can kind of help yourself. And if you do want to see something very specific, please let me know and I will try to do it. I love you. Talk to you later.